Welcome to my Halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is KAKIAGE-UDON! Yay! What kind of Japanese noodle do you like? These days, the ramen is very popular in overseas. But in Japan domestic, udon is also popular as same as ramen. Udon soup contains plenty of umami, which is said to be fifth taste, so I never met the Japanese person who doesn't like udon. Today, in response to a request from my ex-colleague, Miss Kamsia, I want to show you how to make KAKIAGE-UDON at home. Hi, Kamsia-san. Thank you for your request. If you have any request or inquiry about Japanese food, please let me know to write down in the comment space. And today's highlight is, of course, how to make kakiage. Actually, making kakiage is very similar to making jumpun of Malay food. And kakiage is more easy to make than ebi tempura, so please give it a try. Okay, shall we get started? In my video, I want to share many tips of Japanese cooking. I know that some Japanese food contains alcohol, so you cannot enjoy it. However, after watching this video, you can make halal Japanese food using local ingredients only. If you like this video and you want to open your own shop with my recipes, I'm very happy to support you. See below for more information if you need. I want to use dry udon today, then dashi broth, soybean sauce for seasoning, and green onion for topping. I usually use dried noodle because dried noodle is easy to store and price is reasonable. But I also love the frozen udon noodle. It occupies the space in the freezer. It's very big problem. Since frozen udon noodle is different texture from dried noodle, if your freezer has a space, please give it a try. If you have a big pot, try to use it to boil the noodle. I don't have it, so I use frying pan. After boil the water, put the noodle into the water. The one bundle is for one person. Put the noodle into the water. Then, after put the noodle into the water, for 1 minute around, you stir the water to swim the noodle inside the water. If you never do like this, noodle will stick together and become one lump. Okay, after that, little bit slow down the fire and boil, following the instruction. It's maybe okay, so after boil the noodle, stay in the water and rinse to remove the thickness of surface. Then set beside. Like this. We need dashi broth about 300 to 400 cc for one bowl. Please refer my video to make dashi broth. You can make it using dashi sachet or using your original ingredients. Either way is okay. Seasoned by soybean sauce and udon soup is complete. Okay, now we try. Now dashi broth become hot, so seasoned by soybean sauce. 1 tablespoon. After you put soybean sauce for 1 tablespoon, please check the taste. For in my case, I don't like salty soup, so this is maybe enough. After checking the taste, if you need a little bit more salty, so add another another half. But udon soup is completed like this. Off the fire and set aside. The amount of water and flour is roughly equal. So if you don't have the scale in your kitchen, please make sure you have water a little bit more than flour. And there are many recipes using egg for making kakiage batter. I don't want to use egg because it will be more crispy without egg, I feel. And adding baking soda is same reason. So if you like a crispy one, please give it a try my recipe. Okay, make batter. Put the water in the bowl first. And usually I put the flour into the bowl. Then just a little bit baking soda. Like this. Put. And stir a few times to break the lumpy and mix the baking soda well and pour almost half. Then after that, don't mix. Push the flour to sink into the water. Because I want to make crispy kakiage, so want to prevent developing the gluten. So almost sunk, so another half. Then push again. Like this. Okay. Actually, you can see, I can see also. We can see the flour and lumpy also. But this is okay. Never mind. Butter has done already. Now, this is today's highlight. How to make kakiage. Ingredients I choose today are onion, carrot, MITSUBA, and frozen seafood. MITSUBA is a Japanese fragrant vegetable. This has very elegant aroma. If you find a MITSUBA in supermarket, please give it a try. Remove the vein from the shrimp and make sure to wipe off the moisture. This one. Cut the veggie like this. Then the important thing is to chop the all ingredients into roughly same size. Like this. Can you see? Almost the same size. To finish at the same timing. And after chop the ingredients, put all into the bowl. Put all ingredients in the bowl and wet them because I want to sprinkle the flour before to mix the butter. So today I checked the weight already, 160 grams. So I prepare the flour 16 grams around. Then this flour is going to work as glue that ingredients will stick firmly with butter. Sprinkle the flour into the veggie bowl and mix well to coat all ingredients thinly and evenly, like this. Okay. Then pour the butter. Pour the butter into the veggie. this. Then mix gently. Okay, like this. Okay. Preparation has done. Okay, going to fry. Okay, we are going to fry kaki-age. I recommend to use frying pan because using shallow pan is easy to make kaki-age for beginners. Then oil depth is below 2 cm and temperature is 170 degrees Celsius. 170 degrees Celsius is you drop one butter and touch the bottom and come up soon. Now it's okay. So we take small portion on the wood spoon like this, then slowly slide into the oil. Then first 1 minute, don't touch. After 1 minute, check the edge is hardened or not. Then it can move in the oil, so it's okay to turn over. Then another 1 minute. And turn over again. Then turn up the heat a little bit to make the kaki-age crispy. And I think okay. Like this. Like this. Kaki-age done already. Okay, up the speed to complete kaki-age-udon. Now warm the udon in the soup. Okay. So serve the udon in the bowl. With soup. And chop the green onion. Put here. And put kaki-age. Kaki-age-udon has done already. Yay! I wanna try to eat and report to you. This one, kaki-age, like this, very crispy. I wanna convey crispy sound. you here? And I put this into the udon and itadakimasu. Soak into the dashi soup, then it's nice, very solid. The Japanese feel very calm when we eat dashi soup. It must be in our gene, I feel. I think that's why the udon is very popular among Japanese people. Today I made KAKIAGE with onion, carrot, and MITSUBA and seafood, but you can use any other ingredients. For example, corn and sweet potato is very popular in kids, and gobo root is regular member of KAKIAGE. Please give it a try to find your favorite combination. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!